Hey guys, welcome back. It's Patrick here, and today we're going to talk about the 5 best investment apps out there for 2021. Before we dive in, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, smash the like button, and leave a comment down below with your favorite app and why. Before we go into detail about the apps, the 5 that we're going to cover today are M1 Finance, Public Invest, Webull, Cash App, and Robinhood. We have M1 Finance, which is great for beginner and experienced long-term investors. You have the possibility to create your own sectors or invest in 80 pre-customized portfolios ranging from energy, tech, healthcare, and everything in between. This kind of helps keep everything organized. They also have auto invest, which is great. You set up and forget about, which is perfect for long-term investors, especially when you want to do some cost averaging investing. And one finance is also great for dividend reinvesting, which means when a company pays high dividend, it uses those proceeds to automatically buy more shares in that particular stock, which helps bring your cost average down. Next up, we have Public, which is great for beginner and intermediate investors. They allow you to invest in stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and all kind of different kind of investments. Their most unique feature and what really separates them from the competition is the ability to follow other investors such as family, friends, and even more well-known investors. You can comment, like, and communicate through the app, similar to StockTwist. They also have a theme investing, which allows you to invest in green companies or maybe in all-woman CEO ran companies. And lastly, they also have fractional share investing, which allows you to get in with as little as $1 and invest in big companies such as Amazon, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway. Intermediate and advanced investors. Their app and web platform offers a huge amount of data. Also, it's great for options trading and day trading if that's something you're interested in. Another cool feature they have is paper trading, which allows you to practice with fake money before diving in with your hard-earned pesos. And overall, they're one of the most detailed platforms out there on the market right now. Alright guys, here we have Cash App, an app you guys are probably familiar with, and Cash App is best left for beginners as they do not offer much data into the stocks that you're buying, and also they do not let you buy ETFs or mutual funds. They do let you invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other cryptocurrencies. And lastly, they do have fractional shares. All right, let's jump into the last one we have here, and it's going to be the OG Robinhood app, which has been around for a while now, and it's probably the most well-known app out there. It's great for all level of investors. It's simple and easy to navigate. They have option trading, after-hours trading. They offer you a bunch of data. You're able to buy on margin, stocks, EFT, option, crypto. You really have everything in-house, and they were one of the first companies out there to do fractional shares and make investing really easy from your phone. And they shook up Wall Street, and Robinhood is the reason why a lot of other brokerages now do $0 commission trading. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end of the video. Like I asked earlier, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys here next week.